Alright, ladies and gentlemen, is the KampRite 2-person CTC compact tent cot. Here in Sacramento, we are having rain with wind gusts up to sustained wind gusts up to 35 miles an hour, wind gusts up to 40 to 50 miles an hour. Right now, the current winds are sustained at 26 miles an hour. And yeah, I'm in here. Lighting sucks, but this you see right here is the rain fly where my fingers are tapping. I don't have the door, and the bug fly is zipped down shut. That's the door and the rain and stuff. But yeah, we are rained in Sacramento today. I was able to get out earlier for a few minutes, but being homeless, this tent was a blessing. It was gifted to me over the Christmas holiday. And matter of fact, the same person actually gifted me the single person CTC KampRite compact tent cot as well. So, but so far, I've used this almost every day since I've had it. I think there's only been about 10 days I haven't used it. And it's taken some pretty good hits with the wind today. And it's still holding up. I'll try and remember to post an update video in the morning. It's supposed to quit raining about midnight-ish. Wind advisory till about midnight. We're going to have 20 mile an hour winds or so. Then it's going to start dropping down, but it's going to be double-digit winds all night. So, yeah, I'll try and post an update in the morning. Let you know how I got your dog and I survived. But, yeah, like I said, as being homeless, this tent is a blessing. I'll try and do a video in the morning. Try and do some pictures in the morning. Show you what it looks like overall. So, hope you're all staying dry. Hope you're staying safe. Be blessed. And I'll see y'all down the road. Peace. Whew, listen to that wind howl. It's a good sleeping weather right here. Although being homeless, the rain is not your friend. See y'all down the road. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Happy trails. Be safe. I'm out of here. Peace.